Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2025 Audi A5? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features Audi's digital stage curved OLED display with an 11.9-inch virtual cockpit and a 14.5-inch central MMI touchscreen, plus an optional 10.9-inch passenger display for infotainment and vehicle info. The 14.5-inch MMI touchscreen OLED infotainment system, an optional 10.9-inch front passenger display for navigation, media, and connectivity. The 11.9-inch fully digital instrument cluster as part of Audi's digital stage, offering clear, customizable digital gauges for speed, navigation, and vehicle info. The 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic gear selector with a leather-wrapped, metal-accented shifter in the center console for smooth, precise gear changes. The leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel features tactile buttons and scroll controls for audio, phone, voice assistant, and menu navigation without taking hands off the wheel. The automatic multi-zone climate control, typically tri-zone, letting the driver, front passenger, and rear passengers set individual temperatures and airflow for balanced comfort. The 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 TFSI engine producing around 268 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic and quattro all-wheel drive for brisk performance. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light, steering lock warning light, malfunction indicator lamp, charging system indicator, electronic parking brake warning light, engine oil pressure warning light, forward safety warning light, seat belt reminder indicator, low washer fluid warning light, high temperature indicator, anti-lock brake system indicator, crash sensors and airbag indicator, electric power steering system indicator, vehicle stability assist system indicator, vehicle stability assist off indicator, low tire pressure or TPMS indicator, electronic parking brake warning light, turn signal and hazard warning indicators, lights on indicator, high beam indicator, auto high beam indicator, fog light indicator, front passenger airbag status light, door ajar warning light, side assist indicator light, steering intervention request, low fuel level warning light, master warning light, child safety door lock or unlock indicator light, child seat lower anchor indicator light, lane safety indicator light, lane centering indicator, distance warning light, all-wheel drive warning light, engine speed limitation light, hood indicator light, auto stop off indicator light, auto stop indicator light, hill hold assist indicator light, Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.